Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I will tell you proper noun and common noun vocabulary with Urdu meaning. So learn English with easily and listen to be carefully. How to pronounce this word? Polite. Number 11. Polite in Urdu ba'adab ya shaista. How would it be used in a sentence? Polite. Always be polite to others. In Urdu हमेशा दूसरों के साथ बाअदब रहे. How to pronounce this word? Sad. Number 12. Sad in Urdu udas. How would it be used in a sentence? Sad. She was sad after hearing the news. In Urdu वो खबर सुनकर उदास हो गई. What is proper noun? Proper noun definition. A specific name of a person, places or things is called proper noun. Examples. Number 1. Ali is my friend. Number 2. We live in Pakistan. What is common noun? Common noun definition. A general names for people, places or things is called common noun. Examples. Number 1. The boy is playing. Number 2. I have a book. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe our channel for more contents.